This is Archita.
I'm Zach.
Fahad.
Lana.
Aditya.
And together, along with many others, we are Incas. So what's today's vlog about? It's really interesting how people in Aachen live, and I'm trying to depict how the life in Aachen is actually. So I will be meeting my friends from Incas, and we will be showing you the life here of the students, how they spend their time here, and what they do in the free time, and how city of Aachen is actually.
Okay.
Meet Archita.
Let me introduce you. The international Incas. So you see this
Yeah.
similar looking
People, only one.
Yeah.
While shooting this video, we had lots of fun. Ajita explained the orthogonal shape of the dome, while on the other hand, Lana told us about the great history of the Aachen Cathedral, and Zach on this occasion gave his theory of evolution. All this was worth recording and worth showing.
Okay, octagon.
Octagon. Thank you.
What chick chick?
Chick.
Each chick is like
It's like one side.
one side.
Yeah. Exactly.
So Aachen Dome is like chick chick,
No, it's like 4 times chick. It's like chick.
which is equivalent to an octagon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Eventually it becomes an octagon.
I have a question.
You have to put your thumb and yeah.
Yeah.
I have a question. How's the dome from inside? Chick chick?
It's octagonal.
So it's
So
4
Aachener Dome
times
is actually a really special building because it was built so many times, and of course you have the main building and you also have some sub buildings all around, and that's why it's that beautiful and that different, and you also have different rooms there. Yes, according to the Devil's Thumb, the legend is that the Karl the Great told, guys, I want to have the dome. And people said, fine, we're gonna do that, no worries. So he gave the people money and went to his Karl the Great business. And people didn't have the money to build it. So that's why they asked the devil, dude, could you please do it for us and we can pay for you whatever you like. And he told, the first soul who will enter this building will be mine. And then as people found out that the first person who will come in is the Karl the Great because it's his dome, he was like, oh no, that's not a good idea. And that's why they found a wolf in the forest and let him in. And as Devil told, first soul is his. But he was so angry that he got the wolf soul, and that's why he closed the door with all his power, and you can see the devil's thumb there.
Theory of evolution by
Without
Zach.
dark hair. Without
Here.
So
You missed a lot of
animals
theories
would be wild and
Animals are already wild. There are wild animals as well, like tiger,
Why-
leopard, jaguar,
since when are you
lion.
filming this?
And domestic animals, they're
And
also existing.
domestic
Did you get the
animals.
theory of
no, that's
Theory of Zachanism.
that's what I want to know.
Evolution theory.
evolution's theory?
Yes.
That without human animals wouldn't survive.
That's very important according to our video. That's what international students really have to know.
It's not. It's something that we are gonna have later. So have fun. And
Yeah.
Guys, if you
and
look
say
to
like,
the right,
oh, if you hear this sound, that's Lana. That was like one of our friends in the university. She was nice.
She was nice.
Points.
I'm still alive. Come on. Not. She was.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow.
Have fun. Have fun.
Stop. Maybe when I cross back, it's not that bad anymore. That is the magic. Come on, Thor. Why is it important? There is a legend, and when you pass through it, you will never finish your studies. So, guys, be careful.
Go around it always.
Yes, like this.
After all this fun, we took the bus and moved towards Uniklinik. In Germany, the best part is that if you are a student, then travel in a state is free for you. So we took advantage of it and went towards Uniklinik, which is one of the biggest hospitals in Europe, where Archita tried to explain us the history of Uniklinik, and the fun that we had over there is also worth watching.
What shall I say? History, right? In 1966, the RWTH Aachen School of Medicine was founded. At that time, the municipal hospital in Aachen
What we
became,
call that in Hindi is called Jugaad.
Aachen became university hospitals. But
Jugaad,
soon it was realized that they were too small. So facts, facts, okay. So, the annual inpatients are 44,768, there are 900 doctors, there are 67 professors, there are 30 elevators, and it's a great hospital.
I'm flabbergasted. Like, it's
Lots
not
of
really-
words.
Don't use such high words which you don't understand.
Flabbergasted, like lots of words.
Lots of words. Flabbergasted.
Flabbergasted.
This one is for helicopter, you know?
Helicopter.
Yeah.
Yes, this is for helicopter. You see?
Yeah, for helicopter landing.
Yes. And staffing.
So Archita is learning some Urdu words
Yes.
like
Taru, Mohtarma, and Shama, Kabul. That's all.
so she's fond of learning Urdu.
Yes. The words. This is Aditya, by the way.
Yeah, meet Aditya. He's wearing mask as if he's a doctor. Abhay, I just remembered you look like Will Smith.
No, it sounds like black.
Don't try
She
this
has
at home.
been
I'm going to try this cherry, which I got it
For
from
5
this
minutes
tree.
now about
But don't try this at
about
home.
the interlinks between cow and sheep and what the sheep are talking.
It's not bad.
So now you know why
It's
I'm
not bad.
asking whether she's half drunk or like.
I'm just trying to understand the animal
It is bad.
connection.
Yeah. Oh.
Come on, I'll hold and you. I'm holding.
Oh, I'm scared, Nana. I'm scared.
No, it was right what I did. Because then you just you put this like here.
Oh
and
no,
then
no,
you
no,
start
no!
to
I'm
ride.
not riding here, okay? Because it's too high. If I
Lana
fall,
has a German way of explaining things.
Is it good or bad?
It's a bad thing.
This is not how you explain to the first person who.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have my bottle of vodka here. Then I could explain on the
Make it
proper
like this.
way.
Make it like this, and then bring your legs on the other side. That's it.
no.
You think so?
There are moments in this life you just want.
Okay, but I can try like this.
Fahad is like, what am I doing?
Okay. So now I understood that I need a cycle which is a little bit short.
After all this fun, we felt hungry, and the best thing for the students of Aachen to eat is none other than the pommes doner of Sultan's Kebab. So we had it, and that was all for my vlog. I hope you guys liked it, and if you liked it, then you know what to do next, and that is subscribe, guys. Subscribe.